So I currently run 4 YouTube channels, including the one you're watching this video right now. And I can't deny that YouTube is a great source of income if you do it right. Now, on some of the channels, I have both my face and my voice, but on some of the other channels, I don't even have my voice nor my face. So there's lots of ways to do YouTube. And in this video, I'm going to give you 9 examples where you can start and run a YouTube channel without having your face and even your voice. So completely silent, faceless channels. It's going to give you a lot of ideas. And also for each channel that I list, we're going to look at their stats and estimate how much money they're making. All right, so let's get started. So the first really good channel idea is stats, okay? So I have this name of the channel here. It's called Moo Stats here. And you can type it in and you're going to see all these videos. And basically what a video looks like, if you open a single video here, this is kind of what it looks like. It's just simple stats and it's doing something. So maybe this is this topic, right? The pandemic, how it happened. But if you open something else, it could be GDP per country, right? And the format of this is different. In this example, we are looking at a 345-minute clip where you're actually looking at the map of the world, and it changes colors, right, depending on their population and the year. But there's different formats. So for instance, if you open this one right here, this is slightly different format, and you're probably more used to this format simply because you've probably been recommended this video a lot more. And as you can see, it says world population by country, but it doesn't have to be just that. It could be absolutely anything. You can have ideas forever. You can have pretty much unlimited ideas, world population by country, GDP by country, growth, this, growth, that. There's so many things that you can do. And so let's go in and see and try to estimate how much they're making from this channel. So as you can see, they have 357,000 subscribers. And if we come here and we go to this tool called Social Blade and we type it in, I can really teach you a very, very easy way to estimate how much money they're making. So as you can see, they're getting an average of 33,000 views every single day. And the way people make money on YouTube is something called CPM, and that's cost per 1,000 views. Advertisers, they pay money to have their ads on this channel, and then we split that revenue. Us YouTube people that run YouTube channels, we split that revenue somewhere along 50-50. I think it's 55-45. And so as you can see, it's 33,000 views every single day. If they're even making like $1 per 1,000 views, that's at least $33 every single day. And that's $1,000 a month. But $1 is like the absolute minimum. If they're making somewhere around $5, that's around $150 per day. And that's $1,500 per month. So that is a very, very quick way to kind of estimate. Now, just a quick kind of rule of thumb here, right? Entertainment channels typically make less than educational channels. So something like a vlog is going to have somewhere around $2 to $3 per 1,000 views. How much you're going to be making? That's called RPM. And something like making money online, finance, investing is going to be maybe $30, maybe even $40 per 1,000 views. So the next idea I want to show you is doodles or animation. So here I have a channel, Doodles by Sarah, and we can open it up and we can take a look at this channel. Now, I believe she actually talks in this channel while she's drawing, but you don't really need to talk, right? This is the type of channel where you can simply just draw, right? It's kind of self-explanatory. It says diary, stickers, and she's kind of explaining it. So it's not a channel you need to put your face on it, and you don't really need to explain anything. It's kind of self-explanatory. And she has 804,000 subscribers. And if we punch this channel into our favorite site called Social Blade, and as you can see, she is getting 9,000 visits every single day. So assuming her, least RPM is somewhere around $3 to $4. So if it's $3, she is making $27 every single day, because you just take the 9, multiply by 3. If it's a little bit on the higher end, maybe, $7 or even $10. If it's $10, she's making $90 every single day. And you can do the math and see how much money she's making every single month. That's around $2,700 every single month. So not bad for doodling. Okay, the next example is relaxation music. Okay, this is a very nice niche because all you need to do is sign up for a service that gives you stock images as well as music. So this specific channel has 9 million subscribers. So they're probably making a ton of money depending on their views. So if you open up this video here, and I'm gonna mute this real quick, and we pause it, we can copy the name of the channel to our tool here, and we can see this channel is getting 2 million views every single day. So even if their RPM is $1, which means it's $1 per 1,000 views, they're making $2,167 every single day. If it's double that, then you can double that. That's more than $4,000 every single day. So you can do the math. So regardless what their RPM is, they're making a ton of money with this kind of the soothing channel niche that they're going for. The next channel idea I have for you is house tours. Now you may be thinking, okay, house tours, typically people are talking about it, they're showing, they have their face in it, they're explaining it. Well, not necessarily. This specific channel, Open House 24, is actually very silent. All they're doing is essentially walking around and showing you different houses around the US, maybe other countries as well. So if you open this video here, and we take a look, and we take the channel, it's 400,000 subscribers, we punch it into our trusty tool, and as you can see, they're getting 46,000 views every single day. So even if their RPM, that's revenue per 1,000 views, is just $1, which I really doubt, it's going to be somewhat higher than that, they're making $46 every single day, and that's almost $1,500 every single month. But if I had to guess, these are houses, and so as a result, people are looking maybe to buy a house, and so they probably have some money. And so typically these are going to be people that are trying to put ads on channels like this, looking to sell houses, looking to do some kind of a deal, having a house, buy houses, stuff like that. So they're probably making quite a bit more than 1 RPM. So even if their RPM is somewhat like $5, which is still relatively on the lower end, they're making around $250 every single day. The next niche I want to talk about is cuisine, is cooking. Now, of course, there are tons of channels where people are actively cooking. They are, doing various things. They're explaining things, cooking shows you see on TV. But it doesn't have to be like this. So for instance, this channel here, they're not even filming themselves. They're basically filming what they're doing. And I have seen tons of channels having to do with cooking that have no voice, that have no sound. Sometimes they show their face in it, but they don't have to, right? This is kind of what I want to drive here, is that even if you see a face or a voice in one of these videos, this is a niche that does not require having face or needing to have a voice. So keep that in mind. So let's take a look at this channel. 2.44 million subscribers. Let's copy this and let's see how many views per day they're getting. And they're getting 20,000 views per day. So with 1 RPM, that's $20 per day. With a 5 RPM, that's $100 per day. If I had to guess, they probably have somewhere around 5, maybe higher. Even if they have 10 RPM, that's $200 per day. Not bad if you ask me. The next niche that I want to show you is a very practical niche and could be done by just about anybody, regardless where you are in the world. And this is street walking. Believe it or not, there are people that take a camera and basically walk around various streets in their city, or maybe visit another city and upload it on YouTube. So here's Toronto street walking, and here's Johnny Strides, which is a very cool channel if you want to see what Toronto looks like. And we can open it up and we can have an idea how much does this channel make. So he has 71,000 subscribers. We're going to copy that. We're going to paste it into Social Blade to see what's happening. And he has 26,000 views every single day. And it's actually even increasing. But one thing you have to keep in mind is that vlogging is going to be on the lower end of monetization requirements, simply because vlogging is not educating you on something. So it's kind of difficult to sell you something while you're being entertained. Still, a niche like this, I know from my own experience, has an RPM of about 4 to 5, somewhere around there. So let's say it's a 5 RPM, which means he's getting $5 per 1,000 views. You just take 26 and you multiply by 5, and that's 125 roughly. So we're talking about $125 per day, which is not bad at all for basically walking around with your camera and filming what you're seeing outside. The next niche I want to cover is product reviews. Okay, so product reviews, they come in all shapes and sizes. You have unbox therapy, where you actually know the person, you hear his voice, you see his face, you see the person, you see everything, but it doesn't need to be this way. So for instance, here's a channel called Flossie Carter, and if we open one of the videos, you don't really see the person. All you see is a table of him reviewing products. Now, he is talking about what he's reviewing in this video, but he doesn't need to talk. This is a niche where you don't really need to talk. You can simply take the product out, open it up, and just show it. That's it. That's really what I'm there for. I'm there to look at the product. I'm not necessarily there to actually hear this person talk or even see his face. And so this is another niche where you can create, you can buy products, you can review them. And the benefit of such a niche is that you can make money with affiliate marketing, which is what these links are here. All of these links, these 4 links, this Amazon link, these 3 links here, they're all affiliate marketing links. So he's making even more money. He's getting commissions whenever somebody goes out and buys the product he's reviewing. And so that is something else to keep in mind. It does not have to be just about showing you the product. You can even make money when people try to buy something, which is another really good idea. So this guy has 1.79 million subscribers. Let's take a look at his daily views and try to understand how much he's making money per day. And he is getting 121,000 views per day, which is somewhat on the higher end of all the channels we reviewed, except that music channel, that soothing music channel, which was getting about 2 million views every single day. So even with a somewhat low RPM of about 10, he is making $1,210 every single day. Now, we don't know what his RPM is. All we know is going to be at least 5, if I had to guess. I don't think it's going to be lower than 5. And that's still $600 every single day. Plus, he's making money with affiliate marketing, and that's probably going to double his revenue, if not more. So regardless of how you slice it, he's making at least $1,000 every single day. The next niche I want to talk about is the gaming niche. And this includes playing, regular games like your shooter games, RPG games, etc., etc. But what I have been noticing lately is Microsoft Flight Simulator routes. And this is excellent because I'm kind of an aviation buff. I love everything about planes. And Microsoft Flight Simulator really simulates the environment, planes, everything amazingly. If you've never seen Microsoft Flight Simulator, the new one, check it out. You will be amazed. And so in this situation, yes, you can have your face like this person. Yes, you can have your voice, but you don't need to. You can simply create a video of you taking off from one airport and landing in another. And in fact, I have seen videos such as this one all everywhere. And so let's open up one of these channels here. I don't know if this is a specific channel, just to get an idea. We are gonna take a look at there, and this person has 4 million subscribers, so he's probably getting a lot of views. We're gonna enter this channel name here, and he is getting 600,000 views every single day. So even if his RPM, revenue per 1,000, is just $1, which I highly doubt, he's making at least $600 every single day. If it's double that, we're talking about $1,200 every single day. But I would guess it's somewhere like 3 to 4, maybe, at least 4 in that extent. If it's 4, he's making $2,400 every single day, which is not too shabby if you ask me. And last but not least, you can create regular top 10 lists or top 5 lists or top 20 lists. So for instance, I have top 10 G-Shock watches here. And I have a bunch of lists, and in this situation, yes, you can have your face in front of the camera, you can talk about it, you can film yourself like I'm doing right now, and you can explain what's happening, but you don't need to do that. I have seen lots of reviews where they just go down the list, number 10, number 9, number 8, etc., without ever showing their face in the camera and without even explaining what's going on. And people are happy because they came there for the list, and they're getting the list. So for instance, we have this top 10 zone, which is kind of like a niche that does these top 10 videos, it looks like. So we're going to open it up, and we're gonna see what's happening here. So as you can see, there's no face. You don't need voice here. Maybe there's voice here, but it doesn't matter. You don't need voice at all. And this channel has 500,000 subs. We're gonna copy it. We're gonna paste it here. And let's see how much they're getting. They are getting 44,000 views every single day. So even if their RPM is just 1, that's $44 every single day, or around $1,500 every single month. If their RPM is 10, that's $440 every single day, or roughly around $13,000 every single month. So not too bad at all. And so as you can see, there are lots of ways of making money. I'm running my YouTube channels in different niches. I'm having a good time. And now I've given you lots and lots of ideas where you can start a YouTube channel without having your face, without having your voice, simply by creating content that people are interested in. So I really hope you've gotten value from this video. If you want to see more YouTube ideas, let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a fat like, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more money-making ideas, and I will talk to you real soon.